Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun mystery box for you. You guys know I don't know why, but I just love mystery boxes. I've been doing so many different unboxings here on my channel for a few years now. I have a few more mystery boxes coming because there's been a lot of like Black Friday mystery boxes as well. So since I am doing Vlogmas this year, I am kind of adding some of those in, which should be fun. But anyways, this is going to be the Trendmood mystery box. If you guys are not familiar, Trendmood, she is a really popular Instagram account that always posts new releases, and she has her own boxes that she curates, like usually once a month or so. She makes a curated box with new products at a discount, and I love them. I've gotten 2 of them so far, so I don't know how many she's done this year. She's done quite a few. And I just think they're so nice because it's new releases. It's not like old stuff that everyone's sick and tired of. It's new, exciting things, and I've been very pleased with them. And the prices are always pretty good. So she's doing mystery boxes with items from previous boxes. So I figured I would go ahead and order this and see what I get. Hopefully I don't get too many repeats. I only got 2 boxes, so I think I should be okay. And if I do, it's not a huge deal. I'll just put it in a giveaway. But she had these up on Black Friday for $42, so I decided to get one. Unfortunately, these are sold out, so you cannot get these mystery boxes now, but I thought I would share with you since people always are curious to see what comes in here. Maybe for next time if she does another mystery box, you guys can get one. But if you follow the Trendmood Box Instagram, you can see what products are being sneak peeked for the actual boxes that she does. So anyways, let's go ahead and see what we got in this Trendmood mystery box. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like, and this one says give your self-care ritual a professional upgrade, and it has the purple packaging with the Trendmood sticker. Okay, I can see inside. I do see 1 repeat, but it's fine. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so I got in my mystery box. This is from First Aid Beauty. It's their sunscreen. I do own this product already since I am on First Aid Beauty's PR list. They did send me one, but it is one of my favorite sunscreens. So I might have to keep this. I don't know if I want to keep it as a backup since sunscreen goes bad faster. Like this one expires 11/2021. I might just go ahead and put this in one of my holiday giveaways since I am doing a giveaway every Sunday on my channel in my TJ Maxx video. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, definitely do that. But yes, this is their sunscreen. This is one of my favorite ones. It has a slight tint to it, but it doesn't like alter your skin tone or anything like that, but it's a really nice sunscreen. I think it's good for oily skin. It doesn't have too bad of a smell, and I feel like it does a great job. So we got this in the box, and that's a new launch that came out this year from First Aid Beauty. I feel like this video is going to be pretty short today. This is one of the repeat products, as I do own this one already. I actually bought her box that had this in it, but this is the good one because there's good stuff in this box. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I have been trying mine out that I got in my last box, and it's not my favorite hyaluronic acid. I will say it is a bit sticky for me. I'm not a big fan of the sticky texture that it leaves, but if you guys go over it with moisturizer, you should be fine. But I do like Glow Recipe's products, so I won't go ahead and open it since it's sealed. I'm going to put this in one of my giveaways as well. But yeah, that's the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Serum. This is a new one for me. This is by the brand Kinship. It's their Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. I'm excited to try this actually. It says it helps balance oil, unclogs pores, and smooths out rough spots. Let me know if you guys want to see. I want to do like fun skincare routine videos on Instagram, so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. I think this could be fun. And also on here it says this jar is made from ocean waste plastic, so they do recycle, which is good. I've never tried the brand Kinship. I honestly haven't really heard of them either, but I will go ahead and open this one since I definitely plan on using this soon. Definitely has a minty smell. I was hoping it would smell like mint ice cream, but it's more of a traditional mint smell, and that's what it looks like. It's this fun green color. So this is a clean formula, cruelty-free, and it is vegan. So I'm excited to try. So on my box it said Glow Skin Beauty. I was like, what's that? So we did get a product from this brand. So this is their Glow Skin Beauty. It's like a little pack that has a bunch of stuff in it. I've never heard of them. Let me show you guys. Alright, so we got a little headband. I love these for doing your skincare routine at night. It just gets your hair out of the way so you don't get your hair wet. There's also a little sampler pack. What in the world is this? It says, I have to open this because I'm confused. Okay. There's like a tissue in here. and also a cup with some swabs. And then these are the, there's a barrier conditioning lip balm, a glycolic resurfacing cleanser, and a gentle cream cleanser. There's a little mask brush, a large mask brush. And then, I'm not sure what goes in this cup though. A Hydra Bright liquid exfoliant, a Renew serum, and then this peel. So I have to do a little bit more research on this and see. I'm guessing one of the masks goes in this cup so you can apply it with this and so on. But there's a lot of different samples in there from this Glow Skin Beauty brand, which I'm totally new to. So I'll have to do some research on that, but never tried it. So I'll give it a whirl. I was hoping to get some Tatcha. I was hoping for the cleanser, but it's okay. I did get these masks from them. The Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I've gotten these before in like a BoxyCharm, but this is what they look like. I will go ahead and use these. I don't usually like sheet masks, but from Tatcha, I feel like they're pretty good. And then, oh no, I got another repeat. I ordered this box too. I was really excited because I said I saw Nabla, but I do have this already. It's the Miami Lights glitter palette from them. And it's cute, but yeah, I already have it from the last Trendmood box. So I was hoping for a little bit more different items. That's so interesting that I got so many repeats from past boxes when I've only gotten like 2. But it's fine. Like I said, I'll put this in a giveaway. And that is everything in my Trendmood mystery box. I try not to be too hard on these because it is a gamble and you're always taking a risk with these type of things. The value is definitely there, and I think if you don't really get these boxes ever, this would have been a good deal. And if you're just wanting new products, I mean, the deal is there for real. But like, I already got some repeats, so I am just a little bit disappointed in mine. I'll definitely use the Glow Skincare and also this mask, but that's really all I have that's new to me. So I kind of feel like I personally wasted my money a bit, but I mean, it's definitely a great deal in general. So I'm curious to see what you guys think about this. At least I have some fun giveaway items for some future stuff. So that's a good thing. But anyways, that's all I have for today's video. I know this was a little bit shorter, but I do have a lot of videos planned. As I mentioned, I'm doing a Vlogmas this year, putting a video up every single day. And it starts today, even though December starts tomorrow, but I got lots of fun things planned, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.